Are you looking for the best Panini Press? In this video, we will break down the top Panini Press options on the market. Before we get started with our video detailing the best Panini Press options, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out. Starting off at number 1, we have the George Foreman GRP 4842P. One thing's for sure, beautiful things happen when you put bread into the George Foreman multi-plate evolved grill. This 3-in-1 Panini grill system offers great range in cooking options. You can also cook some amazing chicken, burgers, steak, and veggies with ease. The George Foreman multi-plate evolved grill features a 500 searing burst, which is an extremely high temperature that this particular grill has been designed to reach in under 90 seconds. So you wouldn't want to be anywhere near the handle when it's warming up. There's also a digital control panel that tells you the cooking time along with the grill temperature. Another great design feature of the GRP 4842P is that all the control buttons have been conveniently placed with the grill exterior, making it easier to clean. The premium quality grill plates have been covered with multi-layer non-stick ceramic coating, which makes cleaning the George Foreman multi-plate evolved grill easy. It also reduces the need for using too much oil when grilling. The plates on the GRP 4842P are also PFOA and PTFE free, so they are safe for people and the environment. The Cool Touch feature makes the grill easy to handle, and the grill plates themselves are removable, which also means the George Foreman multi-plate evolved grill is easy to clean. At number 2, we have the Cuisinart GR4N 5-in-1 Griddler. The Cuisinart GR4N 5-in-1 works as a contact grill, full and half griddle, and Panini Press, so right off the bat, you know you're getting yourself a versatile cooking system. Cuisinart is known for delivering high-quality products every time, and the Cuisinart 5-in-1 Griddler is no exception. The GR4N features a robust stainless steel frame that's been built to last, along with a sturdy handle for the Panini grill, and nicely designed floating cover to adjust the thickness of the food. This Panini grill also features adjustable temperature controls that comes with an indicator light, so you know exactly when your meal is prepared. This also avoids burning the bread. The removable and reversible non-stick cooking plates in the Cuisinart 5-in-1 Griddler have been designed to drain the grease, making it possible for healthy cooking. There's no need to worry about making a mess because the Cuisinart GR4N has an integrated drip tray. Another feature that users are going to appreciate with the Cuisinart GR4N is the removable and reversible dishwasher non-stick cooking plates, which makes cleaning the system a breeze. At number 3, we have the Hamilton Beach Panini Press Sandwich Maker. The Panini Press Sandwich Maker is your quintessential gourmet sandwich maker that's designed to be perfect for the kitchen or a picnic in the backyard. Its perfect design also makes it easier to grill sandwiches of any thickness with ease. This sandwich maker has been built with premium quality materials, which means it's been built to last. With the Panini Press Sandwich Maker, you no longer have to go to a restaurant just to sink your teeth into a juicy sandwich. Now, you can make a delicious sandwich in the comfort of your home. With this sandwich maker, you get to make so much more than just your favorite sandwiches. You can easily make pizzas or bruschettas by simply using the lock hinge on the press so that the lid can cover over the pizza topping. The Panini Press Sandwich Maker distributes heat to both sides of the heater evenly, so there's no need to flip your sandwich after every little while. The floating lid is a great feature that makes sure the lid doesn't come in contact with the contents of your sandwich maker and also lends to a cafe-style look. The sturdy handle makes it easy to carry, and the ability to store the sandwich maker upright means that you can tuck it away neatly after use without it getting in the way. At number 4, we have the Hamilton Beach 25462Z Panini Press. If you're looking to make amazing paninis at home, then the Hamilton Beach Panini Press Gourmet Sandwich Maker is just the thing you need. Hamilton Beach is a household name in kitchen cooking systems, and has really outdone their capabilities with the Hamilton Beach Panini Press Gourmet Sandwich Maker. This sandwich maker has been built with premium quality materials, ensuring that you are going to enjoy sandwiches made in it for a long time. The two-color design gives it a premium look, and it's easy to see why the sandwich maker is a preferred choice for many people. The sandwich maker features brilliant power and reheat indicators, and can easily house 2 to 3 sandwiches at a time. With this sandwich maker, you get to enjoy equally heated and equally pressed sandwiches. You also get to make sandwiches of various thicknesses, thanks to the floating lid that does not come in contact with the contents of the sandwich maker. Its non-stick design makes it easy to clean after you're done, and its upright storage option means that it can be easily stored once you're finished creating your scrumptious masterpiece. And for our final pick at number 5, we have the Cuisinart GR1 Griddler. With a 2-color combination and a glossy finish, the Cuisinart GR1 Griddler Panini and Sandwich Press oozes with style, but its sleek look isn't the only thing this sandwich maker has going. The Cuisinart GR1 allows you to enjoy restaurant-style sandwiches, and much more, simply being a well-made device that functions perfectly at all levels. This makes it the perfect addition for your kitchen, especially if you enjoy delicious paninis, and don't want to leave your house to get one. Both the upper and lower grill plates of the unit have a non-stick coating, so cleaning is a breeze. The non-removable grill plates also lend to perfectly crusty results while making your own paninis, and don't get in the way while cleaning. Then there's the other minute details, which make this a great option for a sandwich maker. There's a drip spout which discharges the excess oil, and gives it a strangely professional look for this particular price point. The sandwich maker features a power and ready-to-cook indicator light, along with a preset temperature to make sure those paninis are golden brown and perfectly crisp. You also get a cleaning tool and a recipe book if you want to get creative with your sandwich making skills. So that sums up our top Panini Press options. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.